going to the gym is a chore for a lot of people. Here's a few reasons why most people hate going to the gym. 1. Paying a membership fee. 2. Traveling to the gym. 3. Time spent at the gym. 4. For women, the amount of man at the gym. 5. Too busy. However, we don't need to go to the gym to do strength training and a cardio workout. We can do it right at home in the space of 4 minutes per day. In this video, we will tell you about 4-minute workout that replaces 1 hour in the gym. But before going to start, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button to get all the update video. Here's a great exercise routine which will get you started. The squat. If you're looking for a powerful way to boost your overall fitness and get some serious results from your exercise routine, then squatting exercises is your first choice. This is one exercise that should be a part of virtually everyone's routine, as it's relatively simple to perform, requires no equipment, and can be done just about anywhere. Push-ups. Push-ups are not only great for your chest, but do a tremendous job of defining your abs, triceps, shoulders and torso. Push-ups will also improve muscular endurance within the upper body, strengthen both muscles and bones, create lean muscle mass that raises your metabolism and, of course, help keep you fit and healthy. Mountain climber. Mountain climbers are calisthenic exercises that challenge your balance, agility, proprioception and coordination. They benefit muscular and cardiovascular fitness by increasing strength, flexibility and blood circulation. Mountain climbers require you to engage your upper arms muscles, as well as your core and your legs. Practice the proper alignment of mountain climbers to get the most out of your workout. Lunges. Whether you're trying to shape your lower body, increase muscle tissue, develop core strength, or make your hips more flexible, the lunge can help you achieve your goal. This functional, multi-joint exercise can be modified to meet your fitness level. Whether you're doing basic beginner lunges, or take on a more advanced variety, such as lunges with your rear foot elevated, the exercise is beneficial in more ways than one. There you have it. A 4-minute workout that you can do at home which will keep you strong, fit and healthy.
Thanks for watching the video. And don't forget to do us 3 favors. Hit the like button, share this video and click subscribe to stay with Healthpedia.